Okay, so we're going to look at some more formatting of a table. If we use set width of 8, we create a column 8 characters wide, and that should be wide enough for numbers to almost 1 million. Now, if you look at this over here, you see that the labels at the beginning, the days and the total, don't have a set width. So first of all, when I run this, you see that this looks pretty good, but there are some problems. Over here we have only one decimal, over here we have none. And we'll fix that in the next one. But why do we only show the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 over here when it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Well, you see that over here we use set precision of 5. And if we change that to 6, then you see that now we have the whole number showing. So this over here is caused by the precision and not having enough digit positions. The other thing is that you see over here that this number does not have any decimals at all. Now, if you would add up the 0.56, the 0.65 and the 0.79, you end up with a whole dollar amount, and that's why this does not show, and we'll fix that in the next one too. The other thing I would like to point out is that if you make this a little bit wider for 3 days, and you run this again, this whole thing is going to be misaligned again. And in the original form, you could have a nice column, a good looking column over here, because you made this string exactly the same. There's another way that we can do it. We can just use set width over here, and this time I'm just going to set it at let's say 12, and I'm going to do the same thing over here and over here and over here. So let's see how this works now. And you see that we have it neatly aligned over here still. If I make this total for 3 days, let's hope that it's not too wide. That's total. Let's take out the 4 over here. I could also just make the column a little bit wider. Yeah, 3 days over here. Yeah, I could do this 20, 20, 20, and 20, and of course I can use this as a variable. Okay, and looks much better. And by the way, you can also force this to be left aligned over here, but we'll talk about that in another program. So let's see, anything else? Problems you notice? Yeah.